Who said keto's expensive? I don't think keto's expensive. In this video, I'm going to show you how expensive keto really is. Let's go. Welcome back. So, who says keto is expensive? Keto is not expensive. And in today's video, I'm going to take you guys along with my grocery haul. I went to Walmart, spent an hour in the store, shopping, price comparing, just so I can get this video out to you guys. A little bit about me, if you don't know. Again, like I said, my name is Sasha. What's up, what's up? My personal weight loss journey has been 13 years. My highest weight, 256 pounds. My lowest weight, 150, 152-ish. I'm also a NASM certified personal trainer, and I'm obsessed with everything health and fitness. I was first introduced to keto last year. I'm also a kinesiology major this year in school, so it was a group project. We had volunteers to see who wanted to give out, who wanted to try a different diet. So there was a group of 5 of us, and there was 4 different diets. I just so happened to be on the team that chose the keto diet. So that's how I was exposed to keto. For those of you who do, or maybe not, don't know what keto is, ketogenous, the keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet. Preferably as far as numbers and macros, 75% fats, 25% protein, and 5% carbs. There's 3 styles of the keto diet: standard, dirty, and lazy. If you're familiar with keto, I'm sure you've heard them all. You probably have even tried them all. The standard diet, like I had said, is the 75% fat, 25% protein, and the 5% carbs. That's your standard keto. When you say the dirty keto, the macros are the same, which means the numbers are the same as the standard. It's just with dirty keto, you're giving yourself a little bit more flexibility because the quantity of what you eat really doesn't matter. Lazy keto, that is, I guess, the fun one if you're just getting started. That's where you're not tracking anything and your macros really don't matter. You're just consuming foods that fall into the keto category. So, again, like I said, I spent about an hour and a half at my local Walmart, and I spent, got my receipt, approximately 80 bucks. A lot of the things that I did get were on sale, and they were freezer, so I mean, at this point, it doesn't really matter as long as it falls into the date of, at this point, it doesn't really matter as long as it falls into the eat before date. Throw it in the freezer. So, again, my receipt from Walmart, and I will list everything in the comment section below, so you can just take a peek at my grocery list. Everything is not here because, of course, I had to cook. But I will have pictures here and here to share with you guys, and let's get started. We'll start with my freezer, my produce. I'm big on broccoli and asparagus. If I eat any vegetable, it is going to be these 2. These are my go-to. So at Walmart, the Bird's Eye, they tend to be on the, I would say, I guess, most expensive side. These run about $1.97. Walmart does have their brand that's going to run you maybe 98 cents, 97 cents. But again, I've always ate these ones. I've had others, but these are my go-to and they are my favorite. Next is the breakfast. I was not really a breakfast eater. I was more of a shake on the go on my way to work, but since going back to keto, breakfast is important. I mean, it's the most important meal of the day. These ones were on sale, as you can see, $3.24. So I grabbed 3 of these. It's the bacon, crumbles, sausage, and again, it's affordable. I mean, I saved 44 cents by buying it on clearance, and I got 3 of these. And okay, so these ones were on clearance. I guess clearance, just that sounds like really cheap, right, for food? I guess on sale. I took these out the freezer, so literally the water's over here dripping on me. So if you see me over here like wiping myself, I think they're about to unthaw. Anyways, $3.24. I got 3 of these. We all know Jimmy Dean. That is a high quality brand of breakfast anything. So I think I really lucked out on this one, grabbing it for $3.24. I got 3 of these. If we talk about numbers really quick, 10 grams of protein, 1 gram of carbs, and 0 trans fat. Saturated fat, 7 grams, but again, depending on what style of keto you're following, these are perfect. Water everywhere. Oh, my favorite, my next favorite, pulled pork. Again, this one was on sale, $5. I grabbed 2 of these. I plan just to eat it with the vegetables. I probably will eat it plain by itself, throw some cheese on it. We'll see, because I got 2 of these. Let's see, 21 grams of protein, so that falls right in line with the 25%. What else? 1 gram fat, and let's see, it's frozen, so sorry. It's like ice chunks back there, because again, this was in the freezer, but $5, cheap, affordable. Another one of my favorites is Quest. They are big in the grab and go, I guess, arena. They have bars, they have shakes. I'm addicted to anything ranch, so I had these, goodness, months ago and fell in love with them. I'm a big Doritos fan, so these work perfect for me. And they do have a new flavor. I think it's tortilla taco or nacho taco. I gotta get it. They didn't have it in the stores, but I'll probably have to jump on their website and order them. But they're protein chips, ranch. Totally awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, who doesn't love Red Hot? I've always been a big sauce fan, and since jumping back into keto, I've kind of had to reevaluate the sauces that I use, especially because of the sugar content. So this is like an ultimate staple. I mean, closest to sriracha. I'm also a big addict on sriracha, and I have like tons of sriracha too. But anyways, this one, I want to say it was on the clearance shelf, 97 cents. I got 2 of these because, again, you can never go wrong with Red Hot. And anybody who does keto, I'm sure you do wings on a regular basis, which I do have some. But this one, no brainer. It's a good sauce for anything. It was 98 cents. When you think about the macros, 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 fats, 0 sugars. So again, an awesome choice for sauce. Oh, okay, so since we were just talking about sauce, Tyson's. With Tyson's, anything is known to be fairly expensive, but at Walmart, these ones were $5.96. It's a pretty big bag. What is this? A regular 1-pound bag. This flavor was tequila lime. I've never had these. I've seen these around. There's a few ladies in the keto group that have mentioned these, which was, after hearing them rave about it, I guess it's, if again, you're on keto, you've done the garlic parmesan way too many times. So this just put me in the mind of the same line of the garlic parmesan, but I guess with the twist of lime. These ones, again, I think were like $5.97. Anything Tyson, it's a popular brand. It's gonna cost you a pretty penny, but I felt that it was affordable. Besides, I was cost saving. I'll spend a couple more extra bucks on the name brand because, again, a lot of things that I did buy were on sale. Let's see, macros, 14 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 4 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fats. So again, keto, high fat, low carb, 75% fat, 25% protein, and 5% sugar. So if you're following those numbers or whatever your personal numbers are, these fall right in line with them. What else? What else? What else? Oh, hydration. I've never been a plain water drinker. So I've always had to add some kind of packet, juice packet, flavored waters, Mayo, Gatorade. Anyways, Nestle has this flavored splash water. I grab it all the time. It's at Walmart. Sometimes you can find it at Dollar Tree. Comes in a pack of 6. I grab every flavor. Orange, lemon. This one's wild berry. And they also have, I forget, it's like a, what is it called? Berry, that's what it's called. Anyways, again, macros, it's 0 everything, and I'm addicted to these. So hydration. Another one, sparkling ice. I got this one in kiwi strawberry, pink grapefruit, and a lemon lime. It's a sparkling water. I know a lot of people probably nowadays are drinking the LaCroix, which is pretty big at Walmart, but those ones have a funny taste to me. So I kind of, you know, grabbed a few. I pick one. Every time I go to the store, I try to pick something different. But again, the sparkling water, sparkling ice, I ran across them years ago, maybe like 2-3 years ago. But I like these because I add these to my exogenous ketones, which that's therapeutic ketones, but I like this because these mix really well with those. And again, I got these in 3 flavors. Next is chicken fajita meat. I'm really big, again, on freezer. It's just convenient and easy for my schedule. I grabbed 2 of these. These ones are $3.97. I grabbed the chicken fajita, and I also grabbed the grilled chicken. This is good just plain with vegetables. I mean, I got bell peppers, I got celery, yellow peppers, I got red peppers. And again, these are easy, you know, just meat on the go, add your veggies, and good, you're good. Too easy. I did stop at the deli. I'm leaning more towards the lettuce wraps, the lunch meat, cheese, and lettuce wraps, only because school started back for everyone. I'm back in school, my little ones are back in school, so lunch meat, cheese, lettuce wrap, in a Ziploc bag, 2-3 of those throughout the day, water, hydration, I'm good to go. But this one was the provolone, and they were already pre-packaged. The deli had kind of like a cart or a basket, and they were just probably all weighed out different, whatever. But there's 10 slices in here. This one was $2.97. This is a grilled chicken, a garlic grilled chicken, which I'm excited to try. But again, on sale, $2.38, $2.34. So keto's not expensive. If you think keto's expensive, go prepared with a budget. Go prepared shopping with a shopping list. Make sure you don't buy extra things you don't need, and it's very, very doable. So this is a garlic chicken. There's 12 slices in here, $2.34. They're really huge. I've already had a few lettuce wraps. These cover the whole leaf of lettuce, so cost effective. Also, I forgot about these veggies. Like I said, Bird's Eye is a name brand from Walmart. It's cauliflower. Anybody who does keto, I know you do cauliflower with everything, something. And again, I grab these because they are ranch flavor. I'm just a ranch girl. I mean, I'm just addicted to anything ranch. These ones were $1.97, and I'm excited to try. This is Walmart's brand, which is the Great Value. Sweet potatoes, the kids like them. As far as macros, 5 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, and 8 grams of fat. So, of course I'm not going to eat the whole bag. I mean, I'm going to share with the kids. But as far as macros falling into the numbers, whichever style keto you're following, this was a good buy. I mean, it was only 98 cents. And you really can't go wrong with sweet potatoes. What else? What else? What else? I mean, let me know if you guys have any questions. Drop them in the comments below. I'm excited just to start cooking. Like I said, I've already cooked a few things, so not everything is here. But again, I will have pictures for you guys so you can see my shopping cart. And let's see what else. What else? Oh, which I didn't dig it out, but Dollar Tree. So you cannot tell me keto's not affordable, because you can find keto finds at Dollar Tree. So I went to Dollar Tree because they have the best Tupperware ever, and I got 4 different size Tupperwares. I got the really big huge one, then I got the medium, then I got the square one, then I got the to-go ones. So I guess I could have dug them out to show you guys, but Dollar Tree. Tupperware is Tupperware. If you've ever been to Dollar Tree, you know they got the best Tupperware. But what I did find, because you never go to the store and grab just one thing. Yeah, you go for one thing, but then you ended up grabbing like 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways, you get my point. You never grab just what you're going for. So I did find Prego, which Prego is a high quality name brand, but they're classic Alfredo sauce. I plan to use this on my pulled pork. I plan to use it possibly maybe as a dipping sauce for my wings. What else? Oh, I got the chicken fajita. I mean, you can't go wrong with Alfredo sauce. So 99 cents. I also found coconut cooking spray. I did also get the coconut oil, but I'm in Texas. It's hot as crap out here. So it's in the refrigerator. And I just realized that I didn't grab it to share with you guys. But I grabbed their little jar of coconut oil. It's in the refrigerator. That was 99 cents. Again, you can cook with it, everything, and that's what I plan to do. But I also grabbed this, just the coconut spray. Quick and easy, $1. So, some also good finds. Seasoning, it doesn't matter what you use for seasoning. I'm El Cheapo, as you can see by my haul and everything on sale and the store choices that I choose, but that's okay, it's just food. But the flavored blend, salt-free, herbs, everything 0, no MSG, good choice. And this one was the garlic parsley. Again, macros, numbers, everything 0. Seasoning, it's food, you're gonna eat it. Just go through the aisle and pick up a bunch and find some and make it work. So yeah, seasonings. What else? Excuse me, I'm over here looking at my table that's full of all this food. Well, I think we went through all my grocery haul. Again, there's some things that are in the refrigerator, some things that I forgot to pull out, but I will have pictures. I'll probably just pop them up as I'm talking and share those with you guys so you can see my shopping cart and the day that I spent at Walmart shopping. So, who said keto's expensive? Keto's not expensive. My grocery haul, I just spent only about 80 bucks. Everything is going to be in the comments or the description box. Again, thank you guys for hanging out with me, watching my keto haul. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share with everybody, because we all know sharing is caring. So, again, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.